Hi guy, uh, tonight, good night. Tonight I'm going to talk about rare earth metals, and I was surprised actually. The sanction on China or, or high tariff on China that would cause China not to sell strategic materials to US. So what happened to US? I'm talking about this permanent magnet that is made from purified rare earth metals. So they were saying that only China can make to the purity that can be turned into permanent magnet. Well, every engineers know permanent magnet is used in motor. So it's a strong magnet. So if you want a powerful motor, you need this permanent magnet. So it is used in aircraft. And they were saying that F-35 have a lot of permanent magnet, so a lot of control by motor. I think in motor is very common components in aircraft. Motor is used to run pump or hydraulic control of the aircraft. You need pump to pump the hydraulic liquid, or that need motor to control the aircraft. So it's very important component in the aircraft, because if F-35 is using a lot of this permanent magnet, so I assume in all aircraft will be using the permanent magnets. So I also understand the US used to make this permanent magnet itself, but nowadays a permanent magnet is bought from China. So just to understand why sanction on China. Of course, there is also a response from China not to sell these things in human magnet to countries who impose sanction on China. So maybe it's a strategy for the American to make or start making the permanent magnet which they have used to manufacture permanent magnet before. Somehow US stopped it experiment on handling the rare earth metal, so they stopped and prefer to buy from China. So it's not only that, this permanent magnet is important component in lithography equipments, and this lithography equipment, China was also sanctioned from buying lithography equipment. Or rather difficult if China would also not selling this rare earth metal to the purity required that it can be used to manufacture other like lithography equipment or like component in manufacturing jet plane. Okay, guys, I'll have to see what would happen. Maybe this is still early. Maybe in 6 months time, then we'll know what happened. Or maybe US will start making rare earth and purify it to make permanent magnet. That's what I think will happen. If not, then US will not be able